Friends, welcome to my channel MP Educate. I am Nita Parekh. I am helping students to be excellent in maths and science from last 20 years. Let us discuss how to get 40 out of 40 in Science 1 paper. Let us consider the paper of the 2020. Here, friends, question number 1 is the objective question and it is of the 10 marks. I have seen students are able to get 10 out of 10 marks. Question number 2b. Here the students have to attempt any three and here 1 and 2 are the diagram based question. If you see the sub question of the diagram based question, it is too simple to give answer. Friends, in the question number 3, the students have to attempt any 5 and here 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the diagram based question. In question number 4, students have to attempt any one and here 1 is diagram based question. So friends, have you noticed the importance of the diagram based question? And one thing you must notice, the sub question are too simple to give answer. So, out of 40 marks paper, 20 marks questions are diagram based and 10 marks question are objective. So, it is too simple to get 40 out of 40 marks if the students do the diagram based question thoroughly. Let us start our first diagram based question. Friends, let us look our diagram based question. Which laws do we understand from above diagram? Friends, from diagram only, we are able to say that it is about Kepler's 3 law. Friends, this is the most important diagram based question as is already came in the paper of the 2020. Now, our second question. State the law regarding area swept by the line joining the planet and the sun. Yes, it is about the Kepler's second law. What is Kepler's second law? The line joining the planet and the sun sweep equal area in equal interval of time. So here the area of the triangle ASB equal to area of the triangle CSD. Now, our next question. State the law regarding the time period of revolution of the planet. Here, I would like to give you one tip. You have to remember t square proportional to r cube. If you remember this, you are able to write down the Kepler's third law. What is Kepler's third law? The square of his period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance of the planet from the sun. So, t square proportional to r cube. Let us look our diagram based question. If distance is double, what happened to force? And if the distance is triple, what happened to force? So here two object of mass m1 and m2 is given and the distance between two objects is d. First we understand the Newton's universal law of the gravitation. What is Newton's universal law of gravitation? Every object in universe attracts another object with a definite force. This force is directly proportional to product of masses of two objects and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. So here, according to the Newton's law, we can say force is directly proportional to the product of the two masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between two objects. So we can write down F is proportional to, wait a minute. So we can write down F is proportional to 1 upon d square. Now, if distance is double, if the distance between two objects is double, then instead of the d, we have to write down 2d square. After doing square, it will come 1 upon 4d square. So, as the distance between two objects is double, force is decreased by the unit of force. F is proportional to 1 upon 4. So, force is decreased by the unit of the 4. Now, if the distance between two objects is triple, we know F proportional to 1 upon d square. Instead of d, we have to put F proportional to 1 upon 3d square as the distance is triple. After doing the square, we get 1 upon 9d square. So, force is decreased by the unit of the 9. This is very important diagram based question. It already came in the board paper. Please do diagram based question and get 40 out of 40 marks. Thank you for watching my video.